Oh wow, you can hear it. And then here, I kind of feel for the type of leather that they, and it was weight of what I was carrying. Cry button.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you're new here, my name is Nikki. So let's go ahead and unbox this product. So the name of this brand is called Hides Leather. Their website is called hidesleather.com. They reached out to me and asked to send me a product in exchange for my honest review. And of course, you guys know I agreed to it. So let's unbox this product together. Oh my days. I can already perceive the smell. It's not even out of the bag. I can already perceive the beautiful smell. Oh wow. Woo. Feels so good, guys. Oh wow, that smell. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, do you guys see that? I can see that already. It's so pretty. Smell. This is what real leather smells like. This is what it feels like. Woo! Yeah, it's just something about real leather. The way it creaks. You guys hear that? You can hear it. And then here, the zipper. Oh my gosh, guys. You would know that this is quality. I mean, did you guys hear that again? This doesn't just look like leather. It is leather, full grain textured, rich. I mean, the scent that's coming from this bag is, oh my god, it's unmistakable. I really do love it. I'll suggest you guys go out and check hides.com, hidesleather.com. Did you guys can see already? They produce real quality vintage bags. I mean, they have all kinds of bags. They have duffel bags. They have the backpacks. They have the waist strap bags. Like they have all kinds of bags on their sites. And to me, I kind of feel for the type of leather that they do offer, this is very affordable. They sell at an affordable rate technically. Um, and you guys can hear all that click, all that sound. I mean, they always say that real leather isn't silent. It has a presence. Can you guys feel the presence? From the moment I started unboxing this product, I mean, what else do you need? This is a quality backpack. You can use it for work. You can travel with it. You could use it for your outdoor activities if you're going out, maybe to the park or something to pack stuff in it. It works, guys. Right now, they're having a summer flash sale, and you can get 40% off with the code SUMMER40. Don't forget to check them out. Hidesleather.com is actually a Canadian brand, and their product is super beautiful. I love the vintage feel that you can get from the bag, Everything about the leather is top quality, beautiful leather. All right, guys. Also, as I did mention earlier, they produce briefcases, totes, backpacks, travel accessories, and guess what, guys? They have student discounts, military discounts, first responder discounts. Oh my God, they have all kinds of promotions going on their site. Look, you don't want to sleep on this. Check them out, okay? So now that I've finished setting all this up for you guys to see, you can see it's quality. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and put my items in the bag and we'll see what it can carry. Trust me, this bag is strong, it is tough, it is heavy. I feel like this bag can withstand the rain, it can withstand the heat. It's not this type of poor quality leather where the heat actually makes the bag to peel and all whatnot, and you're like, ew, you're feeling irritated with the leather. Good quality leather. What you buy is what you get. Don't forget, you can also buy this bag not just for yourself, you could use it as a gift. Oh, yeah, you could use it for corporate gifting too. Give it out as laptop bags, backpacks that people could use to maybe work. They have different type of designs. I would suggest don't just hear it from me. Go ahead, check them out, okay? Okay, guys, so I have been putting everything. You guys saw I did go in with my laptop, my iPad, the mouse, the charger, and right now I'm opening this part of the bag so I could put in my hand sanitizer. Nah, I'm not gonna be putting my AirPods in there. Yeah, I will be putting the sticky notes and the pen. I really don't care if this one's slip up and fall, which I know can happen. There's a possibility, depending on how I place my bag or how I, you know, hold my bag, okay? However, I will go ahead and put my iPod in here in the zipper for safety. Did you guys hear the sound? I love the sound. You just gets to tell you that this zipper, the items that were used in producing this bag is real quality leather. You guys see this? So beautiful. I really love it. The bag is sturdy. It is not some type of bad leather. It is good quality leather, okay? So, yeah, guys, do you hear that click? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So why did I put two heavy items? I wanted to show you guys that this can it can carry two heavy items and it was lightweight. I didn't even feel the weight of what I was carrying. Beautiful backpack. I love it. It's classy. Do you guys see that? Anyway, for those of you guys that have been watching until this very extent, you guys are super amazing. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, okay? You guys see, I have carried it with one hand, one strap, two straps, and now the handle, the top handle. Do you guys see that? You can carry this bag however you want. Oh, I forgot to put my phone in there, so let's go ahead for safety as well. If I don't want to have my phone in my hand or in my pocket, I could place that in the zipper as well. And I know that, voila, I'm good. So you guys should go ahead and check hydesleather.com and grab your own bags, whichever style, whichever design you want, duffel, totes, whatever, they do have it for you, okay? Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing, okay? Bye!